choice is yours, hit or miss. What's mine is yours still.